Pacific Avenue.
This is
Pacific.
Atlantic.
Yeah.
Well, I guess one thing's like New York.
Yeah.
So we going.
Look at it, it's so
Only one.
tiny. Dad, look at how tiny the sign is.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because this is, I guess this is for Broadway. Could you put, oh, look at even free parking over here. Everywhere is free parking. Right here.
Pay to park.
Oh yeah, pay to park. Yeah. Pay to park right here.
Not everywhere is free parking because this the areas that you've been saying were free
Yeah.
parking. I've been seeing that sign everywhere.
Or what if we had to pay, and they didn't see my payment through their app, and then they say, well, you know what, you didn't pay, and we send you your bill now. You know what I mean? To the mail. What if they did that?
Well, and nobody does that too. They wouldn't have it on the streets if it did that. And 3, you're supposed to. Most people logically take screenshots when they're done.
Yeah.
Like with their payment, they say thank you for your, like, thank you.
Oh. Yeah.
Like, you know how we took a picture of the receipt
Yeah.
for the toll?
Yes. Oh wow. Yeah. So, Atlantic City, New Jersey. Yeah. Oh, I'm trying to go through the through. I thought somebody was being mad and they're being upset and yelling at each other. That's the Tropicana. That's a famous hotel from all over the U.S. You know, I think they have it in Las Vegas also, in New York City also. You know, Kayla, the Tropicana right here. Okay, are you finding out to go back to Wilkes-Barre, Kayla?
Oh, we're going back?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hold up. Direction.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, it says in 40 feet, turn left. I mean right.
40 feet.
Yeah.
Make a right. Okay. What's the name of the street? Where am I gonna make a right?
Yeah. This one.
Hmm?
This one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, well, could you? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go to the next one. Okay. So I'm not gonna make it right here right now. There's cars behind me. So I'm gonna go to the next one. I'm gonna go to the. I got this guy is going. He's gonna make a turn right here. I think it looked like he's making a turn. Okay. Let's go this way. Okay. This one too. This one also. Yeah, most likely this one too.
In half a mile, turn right onto Albany Boulevard.
Oh, half a mile, right? Half a mile? Okay, half a mile. Albany Boulevard, right? Okay, half a mile. Make a right, yeah. Okay.
And then they say, what would you?
Try this. This is the thing.
So this is Atlantic City. And to what boulevard is that, Kayla?
Albany.
Albany. Yes, Albany. Okay, Albany Boulevard. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, Albany.
Yes. Albany Boulevard. Yes.
onto US 40.
Okay. Continue into US 40. The right two lanes, right? To Albany Boulevard. Albany, US 40. Oh. Yeah, continue into US 40. Oh, US 40 is the one that's gonna take me right out.
Continue onto US 40.
Okay. Yeah, this is 40. Okay. So this became US 40 now. I'm into US 40. So we're getting out of yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share it. We're getting out of Atlantic City. We're going back home. And tomorrow we're gonna go back to New York, I think. Or you wanna go to Philadelphia, Kayla? Tomorrow. New York. Tomorrow we're going to New York again.
Use the right two lanes to turn onto Albany Boulevard. Then continue onto
Space lottery.
And most likely we're gonna have a better time over there because there's a lot more movement to do over there, a lot more to enjoy.
In 2 miles, keep right to merge onto Expressway toward Philadelphia.
Oh wow! In 2 miles? Keep right? Yeah. Keep right, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Who made a beep over here? Behind me or? I think the car behind me did it. Yeah. It has a big horn. Look at mamita, that's what we don't want it to happen to us. Look at, we just got in an accident over there.
An accident?
Yeah, car accident. The police is right there. 2 cars.
It didn't look like an accident. It looked like they were searching their cars.
Or could have been? For real?
They were taking stuff out of their trunks.
Oh my lord, for real? And there I'm thinking it's an accident. So it could be.
Philadelphia.
Into my
It just scrolls through a bunch of random filters and picks one that they think works best for your face. I don't know what to think about it. I don't know how I feel about it. I got a pretty up.
Okay, now we're going to Philadelphia from here, so
Oh, that's really Philadelphia.
yeah, we're coming back. You know? The bridge again. I feel like this bridge also looks very majestic, Kayla, too, you know? Super huge, you know?
You think this one's huge?
Yeah, I don't
Not
know.
see the Washington Bridge.
Oh yeah, right? Yeah. The Washington Bridge is super huge. It's super huge. Now look at this is the division of the. Oh, look at the Philadelphia Eagles.
Stadium?
Stadium, yes.
That's where Vera and Danny went.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's what it is right there.
They were like younger when
Yeah,
Danny
yeah.
was like 7 and Vera was like
Yes.
12.
Baby,
I didn't realize. I didn't see my dad.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jesus, this is the most expensive way to come. Pay. You know? Yeah. Chester. Philadelphia, Central Philadelphia. So now we're going back to Central Philadelphia, west.
Well, you see, if I pressed the way with no tolls, it would have been about 4 hours.
What?
It would have been about 4-hour drives with no tolls.
Oh yeah, you gotta go town to town.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
Because it gives you the options to press the fastest way or the longest way or the, like, whatever one you
Yeah.
want. And then it tells you if it has no tolls or not.
Oh yes, definitely yes. Yeah. On 8 miles, a little bit towards the left. It says towards the left. Mamita, you be my eyes here, okay? Because this is the city. Gonna have a lot of like right here, turn left, right, a little to the, and then I'm over here now, and Mama, remember a lot of traffic, and imagine me like this, and wow, even without it, I almost hit a couple cars before. Remember? In the morning, yeah. So you help me, okay? I give you the phone, you know? Okay.
Oh, anyways, I forgot what I was going to say earlier, but then I remembered.
Yeah.
When we ate our food that we got,
Yeah.
no.
Just now. Just now.
Yeah. When we got the food and we ate it,
Yeah.
I think the reason I went to sleep was because like I was like not
Hungry.
full of energy and
Yeah.
hungry, and then since I'm not full of energy, even though I'm tired, I'm gonna have less energy than I'm
Yeah.
supposed to have.
And you had the food and now you feel okay, right?
Now I just feel okay.
Even me too. I was like this. I was like that. Like that. I'm thinking, Jesus, maybe I was feeling like pulling over already, you know. And then I go. I gotta go to the gas station. I gotta go pee. I gotta go take get water. Gotta go do something, you know.
And then you were like, maybe I'll get a little something to eat.
No, get some to eat too, you know. Yeah, get some to eat. That's why I told you. There's a Wawa right there. We get some to eat, you know. And then I got the gas too, you know. Yeah.
How much did you pay for gas this time?
$48 or 40. What is it? 48, right?
This isn't a receipt. Oh, it is a receipt.
Yeah. 42.
43.
43?
43.58.
Oh, you see that? 43. You see that? Yeah. Well, 43. It took me 43 from the house to there, from the house to Atlantic City and back to that gas station, because I filled it up yesterday. It cost me $30 to fill it up, you know. Yeah. Yeah. So by the time we get there, I'll be okay. At least will be okay, you know. The rest of the day, you know. Now we could go tomorrow again, you know. We could go to New York tomorrow, you know. And you know what? This time, we just go and park wherever we already know where to park, you know. You know, Mama? We don't have to worry about nothing, absolutely nothing. I mean, where else? Atlantic City, New Jersey, the waves. Yes, there's super waves, but they're very dangerous too. Did you notice how dangerous they are?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love the waves over here.
Yeah. And it's super cold. Holy jeez, it's fucking killing me.
That's the only reason I didn't get back in.
No? Yeah, I hear you. You see that? No, over there in New York, I was like taking my bath. I'm taking my bath. I'm like,
Go in, go out.
yeah, and super fine, super great, you know?
You gotta be adapted to the cold.
Yeah. Look at New York, Philadelphia. Look at it. we're in Philadelphia. That's Children's Hospital. Look at it. That's where I took you to the hospital right there. Children's Hospital. Is that it? Yeah. Oh, okay.
One of them.
Yeah, one of them. Well, the same buildings, you know. But that's where I took you. That's the hospital that I took you. What if it's around here where I took off the exit? I'm not sure, you know.
It wasn't right here. It was right there.
I will not know. Yeah.
Where,
Yeah, it was around here. Cause
when you went up, I saw that.
Yes.
'Cause I
Yeah.
was paying attention.
I can recognize those buildings right there. The building right there. Yeah.
I remember the little logo on top of the building
Oh, okay. Yeah.
with the person inside the C
Yes.
and an H.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You remember it from now or from the other days, long time ago?
No, from now.
Oh, from now, from before?
From the morning.
Yeah, from the morning. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Most likely that's it because don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes, and if you have any questions, let me know, okay? And leave it on your comments, okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy it. Share it. Don't forget to click up here for more videos at the end of this video and the beginning of these videos, okay? All right. Click on the four corners at the end of the video, okay? All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. All right. Bye bye.